Marshall. I'm the Senior Manager of Customer Experience at NSD. Everything related to the customer, whether it's calls, emails, reviews, social media, comes across my desk. They were using a really broken down Cisco system that they had purchased from a third-party provider that would not make changes to it without exorbitant fees. I think it was like $10,000 to make a change. So if you wanted something more customized, then you'd have to pay a lot of money to do anything. So we just didn't. It wasn't until they let me play with the system and I had to go in there and actually see how easy it was that's when I became interested. I chose you because of the smart flows. I've worked with a lot of different IVR systems, and that was the easiest one that I've ever worked with. It's very simple, it's easy to use, it's powerful, and that was the reason why I chose to go with it. Any inbound calls that come through are routed through the IVR system, and then based on what options they select, the customer will get certain information from our from a connection point that we have in there that'll give them like product information, order information, and then from there, if they want to speak to a representative, we'll get them over to one of our customer care reps. We are able to help, I think it's about 30% of customers without us having to talk to them, which is nice. And that's one of the things that I dig into when I go into the insights and check out the smart flows reporting is how many people left at this point, because that means that they got information and then they didn't call us and they disconnected the call. So that's a large percentage. I mean, that's thousands of calls a week and tons of hours that have been saved because 30% of our calls don't have to have a live person call. So that's been a big benefit. There's definitely a savings. I mean, we do 50 calls per day. So if we're saving 500 calls, that's 10 employees. So close to 2,000 a day that we saved. We've had to hire because we're getting busier, but we've saved approximately $2,000 per day since this platform started.